Hey, good morning. Check this out. Look what came in over the weekend. 2023 Maserati MC20 Cielo. This is the Spider version of it in grigio mistero on an Alcantara Cuyo Nero interior. Car has 57 miles. You can see, as we call them, papillon doors. This is a twin turbo V6, what produces 620 horsepower. For more info, you can visit us online at europrestigeimports.com or reach us at 704-305-5373. Ask for Mario Cyrus. And if we don't see you by the end of 2023, we wish you a happy new year and see you in 2024. Ciao.